Hi, I'm Duvan, we're ProxSIMity, and today I'm going to show you how to use our IV Cannulation Set. This is the only cannulation simulator available on the market that brings you 5 different conditions, which give you the most realistic training experience. This was designed to be able to perform the procedure anywhere, anytime. The IV Cannulation Set comes with 5 different skin conditions that replicate different patient types. The first one is healthy veins, which is ideal for basic training and perfecting your skills. Second one is elderly veins, which simulates fragile and thin veins in older patients. The third one is pediatric veins, which simulates smaller veins, often seen in children. The fourth one is edema veins, which simulates deep and hard to locate veins. And the last one is dehydrated veins, which simulates patients with low hydration levels. To start, you only will need the hand holder and either of the 5 different skin conditions that we have available. It's really easy to use. You only match the teardrop that we have in the replaceable unit with the teardrop that we have in the hand. I just place them together. Once everything is set up, you need to clean the area with alcohol, then grab the needle, feel where the veins are, and then just put the cannula on it. Then you remove the needle carefully, and you're done. If you want to get real-time feedback, you can get our ProxSIMity plug unit or our ProxSIMity wristband. If you want to get the IV Cannulation Set or you have any question, visit us at proxsimity.net, and remember, practice anywhere, anytime.